we go. Man overboard. Throw the life ring. Go immediately to a beam reach. Ease off on that main just a little bit. Right there. Okay. Now we're going to do a big tack after we go 4 boat lengths. So that's 3, 4. All right. Now pull this helm all the way to you as far as you can.
Hard.
As far as you can. Hard, hard, hard. Yeah. All right. The jib's going to backwind around. Now, Justin, reach up there and blow that jib. And then Brad, blow the main. Straighten out the helm now. Just let it go free. It's just going to flap in the wind. Brad, just let it out all the way. There we go. All right, so now we're going to go up and point at the buoy. It's not tight, so we're going to be able to reach it. I'm watching it on the side. Yeah. We're going to take the helm over with us. And reach over and grab it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, so close.
I need to reach over under.
You gotta go under.
Yeah.
All right. All the way this way. Hammer it over her. Here we go.
Honey, you might
Watch
be
your head.
rude.
No, you were really close. You're right there. All right, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, slow your turn down. We're gonna need to go down some more, and then we're gonna point right at Bob. Right at Bob. See him? He's up here.
Alright, a little more. Alright, there you go.
Alright, and our main sleeve is slack, and our jib is slack, and almost there, going really slow, which is perfect. This is an awesome approach. It's right there. You saved me! Alright, man overboard. We immediately go to a beam reach. We're going to pull the helm towards us, ease off the main, leave the jib alone. And we're going to go kind of towards the island there. Right. That's probably 3. That's probably 4. Alright, so pull the helm all the way to you. Yeah, hammer it over hard. Leave the jib alone. Watch your head. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Alright. Yeah. Oh, no.
Not yet.
Go. Oh,
Keep
that's
going.
right. Okay.
Yep, let that main out. We're running on the perfect. Alright, how's our mainsail look? A little tight, that's why we're making some speed. But we might be able to round up and get you. Alright, so you're gonna take the helm with you.
Okay.
Awesome! Nice job. Sweet. Okay, so you guys got a feel for what the maneuver. Okay, here we go. Oh, man overboard. Beam reach.
Hey.
Slack off on the main a little bit. Snap it free.
Down. Yeah, you got it.
All right, we're on a beam reach. We're going 4 boat lengths.
Keep the jib the same, honey.
Your job as crew is very limited.
Okay.
All right, big tack.